Good morning, friends. This is just hours ago as we have breaking news from Tesla Giga Shanghai. According to Vuva, who tweets at Ben TV, says daily Model Y output at Giga Shanghai is now 1,000 cars per day. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. So Vuva, who provides daily Tesla stories from Giga Shanghai and great updates from Giga Shanghai, has a new video in which he says this: after 4 days of overhaul, Giga Shanghai was in an overhaul for maintenance. He says after 4 days of overhaul at Tesla's Shanghai plant last week, the production capacity of Phase II Model Y has reached 1,000 cars per day. This daily capacity has exceeded the number of Model 3's 800 units per day, Vuva explains, and he says it can be said that the Model Y type production has entered high yield stage. As previously planned by Tesla, the main production of Q3 is for export. Let's take a look at the overview of Shanghai factory this week through aerial footage with the help of Vuva, friends. I said export because, like I reported a few hours ago, that the first batch of shipments have arrived in Europe and people in Norway are about to receive their Giga Shanghai made Model Y. A couple of days ago, before this overhaul, we reported that according to media sources recently invited to visit Tesla Shanghai car factory, the combined annual output of Model Ys and Model 3s are at the location have reached 450,000 vehicles. This is the combined, but now what I just reported is that now Model Y alone has reached 1,000 units per day, which will make 365,000 cars per year. So this is great achievement for Giga Shanghai, friends. The source shared details of the factory's current operations a couple of days ago, including its vehicle output with the production capacity of 450,000 vehicles in Giga Shanghai. Overall, Model Y and Model 3 combined together, Tesla could be closer to beating its 2020 guideline if things go in this direction. In its Q4 2020 financial report, the company projected that Giga Shanghai could reach an annual output of 450,000 Model Ys and Model 3s based on recent local reports. Tesla China has met these goals and may be on track to achieve the next production target of 500,000 units. Last year, Tesla set a guideline of delivering 500,000 vehicles and nearly met its target, delivering a total of 499,550 vehicles in 2020. It has not set guidelines for this year, but is still seeking to beat its performance in 2020. The annual output of Giga Shanghai represents a key metric to gauge whether or not the company will be able to beat its target from the previous years, because Giga Shanghai is so important now. It's Tesla's main export hub for Europe and Australia and Southeast Asia anyway. So far, Tesla seems to be making excellent progress to surpass its 2020 goal. Please take this with a information that I am not a Tesla stockholder. This is not a stock advice. I'm not in the stock market, but just simply reporting news about Tesla and electric vehicles at Torque News YouTube channel. So like I said, so far Tesla seems to be making excellent progress to surpass its 2020 goal. In the first quarter of this year, the EV maker delivered 184,800 vehicles, all of which were Model 3s and Model Ys. The company originally planned to deliver Model S Plaid in the first quarter, but failed to achieve its goal due to the global chip shortage and this virus. In the second quarter, they delivered 201,250 vehicles, including the Model S Plaid. Now, in the Q2 earnings call, Tesla announced that Giga Shanghai has become its primary vehicle export center. Like I said a couple of moments ago, Tesla China will likely play a more crucial role in exports to Europe during Q3 and fill the production gap caused by delays to the construction of Giga Berlin, which we expect to come online in October. The production of Model Y at Giga Berlin was previously scheduled to start in July, but was delayed due to the release of its final permit because Tesla made changes in its plans, adding the Gigafactory's battery factory to produce the 4680 cells for Tesla vehicles. Now, Tesla, however, is giving impetus to the Q3 Model Y deliveries in Europe Europe by tapping into exports from Giga Shanghai. Friends, let me know your thoughts, but the good news right now is that the daily output of Model Y alone at Giga Shanghai has reached 1,000 units, and like Vuva reported, after 4 days of overhaul at Tesla's Shanghai plant last week, the production capacity of Phase II Model Y has reached 1,000 units per day. This daily capacity has exceeded the number of Model 3's 800 units per day capacity. It can be said that the Model Y production has entered high yield stage, Vuva concludes, and he says, as previously planned by Tesla, the main production of Q3 is for export. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts, friends. Are you excited about this news? Thank you, Vuva, for all this information that you're providing. Everyone, let's take a look at the overview of the Shanghai factory this week through the aerial footage provided by Vuva. In the meantime, I'll look forward to hearing your comments. If you like this video, please share in social media and also subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up for this video. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone, and let's keep watching and look forward for my next report about Tesla later today.